Alright, today we're going to talk about adding integers, so adding positive and negative numbers, and we're going to write some rules based on the patterns that we see. So, you're on page R26 in your notebooks, you got your pencil ready, and you're going to follow along with me. Here we go. Alright, the first set of problems are positive plus a positive. These are pretty simple. You go back to 3rd grade, 4th grade, alright, maybe even 2nd grade. 4 plus 2 we know is 6. 9 plus 3 we know is 12. 1 plus 7 is 8. 3 plus 5 is also 8. Okay? And if you wanted to show that on the number line, you would say, okay, I got 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 2 more. 1, 2. I end at 6. Okay? It's an easy way to do it. But you really don't need to do that for these positive plus positive. So I think, all right, what's the rule? Well, positive plus a positive equals what? More positive. Or a larger positive, however you want to write it. Okay? Easy enough. So let's go ahead. It's going to get a little bit harder because we're going to talk about negative numbers now. Okay, so this next set of numbers is a positive plus a negative number. So I'm going to use my number line a lot more on this one. 7, that's over here, plus negative 2. Now we know negative means to go in the opposite direction. So we're going to go to the left 2 spaces. 1, 2, I end at positive 5. I'm going to do that for all my problems here. 8, that's here. Plus negative 4, I count to the left 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I end at positive 4. I'm going to do it quickly with the other ones. Here's 2 plus negative 5. So I'm counting to the left 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I end at negative 3. And the last one is 3 plus negative 4. So I'm going to start at 3. And I'm going to subtract, or go to the left 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I end at negative 1 on my number line. So what pattern do you notice? Well, what are we really doing between the 2 integers? We are actually subtracting. Subtract the absolute value, and I'll abbreviate that AV, okay? And then we're going to take the sign of the larger absolute value. So take the sign of the larger one. Oh, my handwriting got pretty bad there towards the end, but you get the gist. All right? Copy that down. Pause if you need to. Otherwise, just keep following along. We're going to go to the next set now. All right. Now we're going to go from positive plus a negative to negative plus the positive. So instead of starting up here with my number line, I'm going to start down in the negatives. So negative 9, all the way down here, plus 5. That's 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I ended at negative 4. Okay? Negative 10, down here, plus 2. 1, 2. I end at negative 8. Starting at negative 1. And then I'm going to add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I end at positive 5. And then negative 4 plus 9. I'm going to start at negative 4. That's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to end at positive 5 as well. So what patterns do you notice? Well, again, what am I doing? I'm actually subtracting the numbers. So subtract the numbers and take the sign of the larger one. Miss Taylor is back there reminding me to say subtract the absolute value. AV. Subtract the absolute value of the 2 numbers. And then take the sign of the larger number. All right. Moving on. Last set. All right, these are negative plus a negative. Negative 6. I'm going to start down here. Plus negative 3. Negative means go to the left. So 1, 2, 3. I end at negative 9. Negative 8. Minus 1 or plus negative 1. I'm at negative 9 again. Negative 5 is here. Plus negative 6. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and end at negative 11. And then negative 2 is here. And I'm going to go to the left 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Negative 11. What pattern do you notice? Well, guess what? Now we're adding them again. So we're adding the numbers together, but they are becoming more negative. Okay? So a negative plus a negative gives you more negative. Okay? So now that we've explored this and we've written some rules for adding integers, we have a song, and Miss Taylor and myself and Mr. Buckholtz are going to teach you that song now. So I'm going to pan over here to the lyrics on the board. And these lyrics are on page L27 of your, or sorry, L25 of your notebooks. And we are going to sing along. So it's to the tune of Row, Row, Row Your Boat. So, same sign add and keep, different signs subtract. Take the sign of the largest distance, then you'll be exact.